Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Justin. I'm here today to show you how to get free sound effects on your Elgato Stream Deck. Don't be afraid to sponsor me sometimes, Elgato. Wink, wink.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Don't you wish you had something you can play for when you're live streaming when somebody's did something? Alright, so the first thing you gotta do is come over here to Elgato's website, go to downloads, click on which one you have. Me, I got the Stream Deck, so I'm going to click download. I don't have to because I already did. And after that, you want to go to their market. See right here, up here on top where it says marketplace. Then search for voice mode, download it, and also you have to download voice mode on your computer. You open your Stream Deck, this is what it looks like. It's over here on your right hand side. Right here where it says voice mod. So you scroll down here, you can add all this to you want to. So you come over here and down. All the links will be down below, guys. So you'll download this.
We've got a new subscriber.
Search for anything. Don't matter. Funny.
Emotional damage.
See? Click it. Download MP3. Bam. See, it's right there. I downloaded it. So now we'll go back over to the voice mod. Come over here to your soundbar. Hit that button right here to add. Come over here where it says upload. Emotional damage. See, I downloaded just now. Hit open. It's going to put it right here. Watch this. Let's play it.
Emotional damage.
Okay, see, it's there now. All right, and then open your Elgato Stream Deck. This is your, under the voice mod right here. Click on, you'll grab your sound bar. You put it over here, right here, voice, or my first sound board. Dang it. This is the one I downloaded. Emotional damage. Where's that at? There it is. And I don't know, you can add a text to it, like, damage. Come over here. I like to do this. Pull that down. Where you can read it on your Stream Deck. Come over here. You can add like a icon to it. Here's the icon. What looks the lists. You go through here. There's a bunch of you can download, man. Just for this purposes. Hell, let's put a light bulb. There we go. Now, when you look on your Stream Deck, that's what it looks like. So now, come over here. Hi. Then you click on your Stream Deck.
Emotional damage.
Alright guys, once you download and do all that good stuff I just showed you, come over here to your Streamlabs or OBS. It's all going to be pretty much the same. Come over here where it says sources. Click on this. Go down to where it says the audio output. Click on that. Hit add source. You can go add new. Add audio source. You can name it whatever you want. Hit add source. It's going to pop up. Click this line in voice mod. Remember I told you got to download that to your computer. So you click on it and that's it. So now you can name it whatever you want to. Anyways, go to your Stream Deck right here, like I have right here, and click this.
Emotional damage.
Hell, now you're all set up, guys. You're ready to rock and roll. Pretty much it. That's how you get to put all this alerts, sounds, everything you want on your Stream Deck by just pushing a button. And who likes to pay when you can get it for free? You know what I'm saying? All links will be down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. If you like this, hit thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit thumbs down. Put your comments below. I'm a very blunt person. I'm still learning how to do this how-to videos. And Hell, leave your comments down below. I ain't gonna be bashful. So